Unleash the power of language with Deepseek, your intelligent English language processing companion. Deepseek is a revolutionary AI tool designed to elevate your English language tasks. From understanding complex texts to crafting compelling narratives and performing insightful analyses, let's discover how it can transform your communication. First, let's explore Deepseek's natural language understanding capabilities. Imagine being able to feed it a lengthy article, a dense research paper, or even a confusing piece of dialogue. Deepseek can accurately grasp the sentiment, identify key entities, and summarize the core message, making information digestible and actionable. Next, we delve into natural language generation. Whether you need to draft an email, write creative content, or even generate code explanations in clear English, Deepseek acts as your co-writer. It can produce fluent, contextually relevant text that perfectly matches your intended tone and purpose. Deepseek also excels at language analysis. It can dissect the emotional undertones of a piece of writing, identify grammatical nuances, and even assist in detecting plagiarism or ensuring brand voice consistency across multiple communications. Imagine the possibilities for enhanced communication for businesses. This means more effective marketing copy, clearer customer support, and improved internal documentation for students. It translates to better essay writing and comprehension for creators. It unlocks new avenues for storytelling and content production. In essence, Deepseek empowers you to interact with English language on a deeper, more intelligent level. Bridging gaps and fostering clarity in every interaction. Explore the future of English language processing.